view from the road. We are slept at Ouzel Campground in Decker, Colorado. Definitely has some cool trees. You're really out with the birds. It's always important to remember when you're camping to always leave no trace. You don't want to be a bad neighbor, and don't leave your garbage behind. So what I like to try and do is clean up all this stuff. I'll clean it up and leave it better than how I found it. Now look at all this trash that I picked up. That's why one thing can lead to millions of things. And that just shows that a campsite that a bunch of people come to with a camp host can get overrun with litter. So they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 campsites. Oh, got some free wood. It is 8:13 in the morning. Gypsy's over here surveying the land. Not a bad campsite. I do wish they didn't have these guardrails so you could just pull in and drop off your stuff, but that's okay. Good morning, good morning. It's 8:14. Just out here surveying the land. Check out all these campsites. We are in Decker, Colorado right now. The views are super cool when you're driving in. It's super rocky, bunch of boulders, and there's tons of wildlife here. Cool looking clouds. But yeah. Ah, boy. So America is beautiful. Always remember to read the rules. Uh-oh. Rocky Mountain Recreation. Looks like into the wild. Crazy looking bone.